Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create APA bibliographies in Grammarly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create APA bibliographies in Grammarly, all you can do is simply go to Grammarly. Once you are in your Grammarly, you can simply get logged into your account. Now to create APA bibliographies in Grammarly, you can use the browser extensions called Get Citation button on compatible websites like Wikipedia, for instance, APA, MLA, or Chicago citations. Or you can also use the Grammarly citation generator tool on their website by entering source details manually to build full citations and in-text citations for various sources. Then you can copy these into your document for consistent formatting, and this way you can create your APA bibliographies in Grammarly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.